Hello my friends, and welcome back to the Spiegelmom Scraps channel, and welcome back to my channel today. I am here with my second project for October for the Spiegelmom Scraps design team, and I'm using this fun technique which was originally taught to me, I guess, by Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. And it's one that I enjoy doing every once in a while when I really want to highlight a photo and make a fairly impactful layout, but quite easily and quickly. I mean, this came together in probably half an hour or so. Now, it uses, generally or often, it uses a whole package of gorgeous sequins. And in this case, I used, from the October release, designed by my lovely friend Sarah from Sarah Scraps, the Peach and Berry Cobbler. I just love these colors. You've got some navy, some orangey, rusty color together with a little bit of ivory. Just beautiful for autumn, but that's a color scheme. If you know me, you know that I do love that kind of color scheme. In fact, I had to pop on over to the shop and get another couple of packages of these. So if you feel the same way, my affiliate link is down below, which will get you directly to the shop. And you can also use my code, of course, Moira15, to get a discount on these lovely sequins. So I really just went in. I got a pre-made background paper, a Vicky Bouton pre-made background paper that was sent to me by my friend Christy. And I just cut a 1/4 inch off each side so that I could mat it on this lovely navy paper. And I'm quite pleased that I used this navy paper because it's been in my stash. It's a fancy pants paper since 2010, my friends. So then I wanted, because I already knew I was going to use this photo, but I wanted to bring in a little bit of copper. So I got my Glimmer Mist, Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist out. This one is almost finished. I hardly have anything left in here, but I love it. And did a little bit of the packaging technique just to increase a bit the mixed media on the background. Not too much, but just sort of around where I was going to put the photo, because I already knew where I wanted my photo mounted on foam. I drew myself a little bit of a frame behind there so that I would know where to place the sequins. To bring in a little bit of that copper, I matted my photo in this lovely paper from Stampin' Up, and it was a Christmas collection, and I used it quite a bit last year for Christmas, or 2 years ago even by now, I don't remember. But it sort of just brings in that copper. And then all I do for this fun technique is basically, I drew myself a little frame. I took some liquid glue, put a good amount of liquid glue all the way around, then sort of smoothed it out with my finger, and then added even a little bit more. And then basically you just pour the sequins, pat them down a little bit, and then what I do, pat them down, then of course I pat down my layout so that the extras will fall off, and then I add them back in. And then in a few little places every once in a while, I just need to go in and place a few to make sure that there's a coverage that I like. And I love this. It's sort of like a light board. It's just a lovely, I love the shimmeriness of it. I love that it just brings you right into the photo. So I got my photo up, just a selfie I took even one evening. I didn't even know whether I was going to scrap it. And then it's a selfie I took a couple of weeks ago, just a few days actually before my 64th birthday. And Helen, of course, sent me, the Beatles song, When I'm 64, and I said, there you go, that's it. I have to do a double page. You will see the other page. It probably won't be until November because I have a particular challenge in mind for that But so once I got down these lovely sequins, I just wanted to get some copper in, so I went with the Happy Days, my thickers that I have left from there with When I'm, the Simple Stories here, the large in navy 64, and down here all in copper 64 and Fun. And I wanted to get a few because, you know, I love to mix flare, flat back brads, and sequins. So I wanted to get a couple of flare on, and I had a few choices. My original thought is I might go with, you know, When I'm 64 I'm wise, but probably a little bit the contrary. When I'm 64 I don't really feel the need to be anymore. These balloons, which were just lovely, and these arrows, which, you know, could have been fun as well. But in the end, I decided on When I'm 64, Adventure Begins. That sounds like fun. Added a little flat back brad here from the Lemon Twist collection, and this Yay, Yay, Yay from Peaceful Heart from Jen Hatfield. And then this, if you saw my unboxing, you know that this is one of my favorite flare ever. So I had to get that on there, and it matches the colors perfectly. Another little flat back brad there. And then I just added the few little sequins that I had left. I just dotted them here just for a little bit of completeness, and this gives a little bit of a diagonal feel as well to this lovely square. And that's all there was to it. I love this layout. Give this a try. It is so much fun. And I will see you back here on Spiegelmom Scraps next month, and I will see you back here on my channel very soon. Thanks for being here. Bye for now, my friends.